Imagine a creature that can regenerate entire limbs, even parts of its brain. Today we're exploring the fascinating world of salamanders and their unique DNA, which could revolutionize human medicine. Salamanders are known for their remarkable regenerative abilities. Recent studies have shown that their DNA holds the key to these traits, making them a subject of intense scientific interest. In a study published in Genome Biology Evolution, researchers found that salamanders are particularly adept at maintaining their DNA. Unlike other species, they have fewer deletion mutations and more insertion mutations. The Iberian ribbed newt's genome has been mapped by researchers at Karolinska Institute, revealing how DNA composition and organization linked to their extraordinary regenerative capabilities. Scientists believe that understanding the molecular mechanisms behind salamander regeneration could lead to breakthroughs in human medicine, particularly in treating injuries and diseases. Challenges remain in studying ancient DNA from extinct giant salamanders. However, advances in methodology may soon overcome these barriers, opening new research avenues. Salamander regeneration is a complex process involving specific DNA patterns and cellular mechanisms. Unraveling this could lead to unprecedented medical advancements, potentially transforming human health. The potential of salamander DNA is vast. What do you think might be the most exciting application in human medicine? Share your thoughts in the comments below.